This year, we celebrate a class recognized for its resilience. You, our 2024 graduates, have navigated some of the most transformative moments of your lives amidst extraordinary circumstances. You've turned obstacles into opportunities, setbacks into comebacks, and doubts into unwavering confidence. Here you stand, poised to embrace the future with strength and determination.
Commencement is a venerable tradition. It's an opportunity to come together and reflect on all you've accomplished. It's also our last opportunity to make sure you don't miss out on another DU tradition. Your class photo.
Today, we treasure your triumphs and the spirit with which you have achieved them. We honor your journey, your growth, and the incredible potential that you carry with you. You have left a lasting mark on DU, and we can't wait to see what mark you leave on the world.
As you embark on your next adventure, remember the character and purpose you've developed in your time at DU.
Push boundaries, for it's in these uncharted territories that true growth happens.
Have patience in yourself as you embrace difficult tasks, even the ones that seem impossible, just as you've already done to reach this stage today.
Congratulations, class of 2024. From all of us at the University of Denver, we are so proud of you.